John's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got an interesting kind of recipe thing using this. And I've been meaning to do a review of this for a while now, but I've been enjoying this stuff so much, and I'm really sorry to the folks over at the Ramen Bay. It's theramenbae.com. And this is the, what do you call it? Spicy garlic mix. And this is freaking off the hook, dope, rad, wonderful stuff. I've got a cold, I don't feel good, and I'm going to make my recipe for wonderment. We start with this. This is creamy chicken Marachon. Here, why don't you watch the show? Is that better? Come on, catch up. Yeah. So there we are with that. Add in our noodle. Add in some creamy chicken flavor stuff deal. I eyeball the amount of water on this, just so you know. Hey, I think a package showed up. I got a bunch. There's two. Sweet. And then here is our cheese to kind of thicken it up a little bit. It's just a slice of Kraft Signals. It's nothing special. You don't need to go crazy looking for like special cheese. And then finally, we're going to add in this ramen base stuff. And this stuff is off the hook. I'll just get like a handful of it. And there's all sorts of stuff in there. There's garlic, there's peppery stuff, there's bits of egg, there's narutamaki. And there we go. You don't want to boil that too hard. But yeah, it just takes 3 minutes for this stuff to hydrate. Often for dinner, I'll take a can of like, I know it sounds weird, but I like this Progresso 99% fat-free chicken noodle soup. And I put in a half a cup of minute rice. And nowadays, I put in a scoop of this stuff, and it's rad. It adds, the chunks of garlic that are in here, it's like slices of garlic. It's rad. Let me go grab something from the front door. I'll be right back. Oh. Yeah, I'll be right back. Brad, just got more noodles. 3 boxes of noodles just showed up, and I know there's more coming today too. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to start editing stuff and start doing unboxing videos. Yeah, I'm kind of stoked on that. If I'm having a day where I'm mostly staying home feeling crummy, that's a lot of work I can be getting done today, so I like that. Tonight is my daughter's, they have a performance. I guess they're gonna sing a song and they're all wearing like weird chicken helmets? I don't know. She's in 1st grade, so don't judge, yo. Don't judge. But yeah, I really like the creamy chicken one. That's like the main favorite at my house, honestly. It's like my daughter likes it and my wife likes it. My son, he won't eat anything but Cheez-Its and chocolate for the most part. But That's his thing. But yeah, this is a really good base to start with, and then the cheese adds some creaminess, and then the ramen bay. It's really nice because I'm ill, folks. I have like the worst sore throat, hacking up funky stuff. My eyes are killing me. It's not allergies. I've been dealing with that already, but yeah. Maybe it's rabies. I got the hydrophobia. Okay. Yeller. Okay, so here is our bowl. Let's get this situated nicely. Like that. But this is the kind of thing I would normally just make if I'm not reviewing. This is a pretty mellow, easy thing to make. When I don't feel good, often I'll even have curry, but this is cool. A little bit some Naruto in there. Got an egg. I've been kind of like, you may recognize this egg from such episodes as the last two. These eggs take a lot of time, so, but yeah, a little bit of sesame seed. But you can see all the stuff you see in here, that's all from the ramen base stuff. And not only does it add a lot of different texture, it adds a lot of flavor too. It really makes the broth really nice. I mean, yeah. It really doesn't need any of this extra garnish, to be honest. But I prepared it, so I need to use it. But yeah, it's a nice combo. It works really well, and I highly recommend it. I guess he's come out with a, what do you call it? A kimchi one. There's the vegetable one, and then there's the seafood one. The seafood one's good too. They're all good. I'm gonna ask him if he can send me some of the kimchi one to review. But this is 5-star stuff. It's THERAMEN, the Ramen Bae, BAE.com. You should check it out. It's rad stuff. All right, well, that's it for me for today. But yeah, I mean, where'd it go? There it is. It's a big thing. I mean, I've gone through most of it, but it's a big thing of this stuff that you get. So if you enjoy a certain noodle and you wish it had more of something in it, chances are it's got the something that you want in it. So yeah, cool. That's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.